Hello children, welcome to Nivedita School online classes. Children, today we are going to learn about lesson number 3, the Earth Neighbor part 3. See children, in previous class we learnt about moon. The moon is round like a ball. It is very closest to the neighbor of the earth, children. The moon is much smaller in size than the sun, but it looks big because it is much closer to the earth than the sun. It is very closer to the earth compared to sun. The earth is very near to the earth, so it looks bigger. See children, the moon moves around the earth. It is called the Earth's natural satellites because the moon has no light of its own. It shines because of the sunlight falling on it. Yes children, July 20th, 1969, the American astronaut Neil Armstrong he set foot on the moon, children. See, life is not possible on the moon because there is no air, children. Water was discovered on the moon in September 2009, but there is no air. So, life is not possible on the moon. Okay? Yes, children. The American astronaut first foot on the moon on July 20, 1969 in Apollo 2nd. Okay? This is all about moon. Now we are going to learn about the stars. See children, all stars have light of their own since they are huge balls of fire. See children, when we are seeing in the sky the stars, it's very happy to see the stars, isn't it? Twinkling stars. While when you are in the pre-primary, LKG, nursery, UKG, then you are singing a rhyme, twinkle, twinkle, little star, isn't it? Yes, children. Today we are going to learn about the twinkling stars. Why they are twinkling? Know about it. See, children, stars are huge balls of burning gases. See, most of which are made of hydrogen. See, as the hydrogen gas in a star is squeezed due to the gravity, it produces huge amount of energy. See, hydrogen and all you can learn in higher classes, okay? Which make it glow. The size, temperature, brightness and color of stars, it is not same, children. It is vary from the one to another. The color of a star is determined by its temperature. Yes, children. See, there are thousands of stars in the sky. Is it possible to count the stars, children? No. We cannot count the stars. See, all the stars have light of their own. See children, many stars are much larger than even the sun. See children, it's very interesting. See, many stars are there. They are the much bigger than the sun, but they appear small. Why? Because They are quite far from us. They are far from us. So they are looking small. Yes, children. See, the stars are appear small because they are quite far from us, children. Do you know, children? Groups of stars form patterns that look like figures of animals, people, or things. Yes, group of stars called a constellation. What is constellation, children? The group of stars is called the constellation. A group of stars which form a pattern and it has a name that is called constellation. The group of stars form the pattern. You can see in this image, children. See, the group of stars pattern the images. Such patterns are called constellations. See, Great Bear is one of the clearest constellation, and Great Bear here, Scorpion, Leo the lion. These are the group of stars. They make the pattern, children. That is, yes, the brightest star that we see in the sky is the pole star. Which is the brightest star, children? Pole star is the brightest star. One more thing, children. Do you know why are the stars twinkling? Yes, stars do not really twinkling, children. Just they appear to twinkle when seen from the surface of the earth. They are not twinkling. The stars twinkling in night sky because of the effects of our atmosphere, children. See, when straight enters our atmosphere, it is affected by winds in the atmosphere and by areas with different temperatures and densities. These causes the light from the star to twinkle when seen from the ground. Okay? Yes, children. Next we will learn about new words. Yes, before that, once again I will revise it, children. There are many thousands of stars are there. Okay? Stars have their own light, children. They are the much bigger than the sun. They are appearing very small in size because they are very far from us. Okay, children? Yes. A group of stars which form a pattern and it has a name that is called constellation. Group of stars called a constellation. See, children, some constellations are there. What are those? Great Bear, okay, Leo, like that. See, Bear is one of the clearest constellation among them. Next we will learn about new words. Satellite. What is satellite, children? An object sent to space to collect information or to be a part to the communication system. Constellation. A group of stars which form a pattern and it has a name. The sun and the 8 planets together called a solar system. Quick recap, children. The sun and the moon are the neighbors of the earth. The sun is a star made up of hot burning gases. The sun is at the center of the solar system. The energy obtained from the sun is also called the solar energy. The moon is the Earth's natural satellite. The moon has no light of its own. There are many thousands of stars in the sky. Next, all of you take out your textbook, page number 113. Tick the correct word. Which is the center of the solar system? Sun, moon and the earth. Sun is the correct answer, children. Which is the closest neighbor to the earth? Yes, children. Moon is the closest to near the earth, children. Next, who was the first man land on the moon? Neil Armstrong. Next, which is the brightest star that we see in the sky? Yes, sun is the brightest star. Sun is also a star. Which of these is a constellation? Solar system, Orion, pole star. Orion, children. Next, give one word answer. It is at the center of the solar system, the sun. It is the only body in solar system that has its own light. Sun. Remaining all, they haven't own light, children. It is the Earth's natural satellite. Moon. It is the brightest star in the sky. Pole star. They twinkle in the night sky. What are those? Stars. Yuri Gagarin. He is the first man who went into the space, children. Next, Sunita Williams. She is the woman from Indian origin who went to the space twice, children. It is twice. She stayed in the space for the longest time, 196 days. Kalpana Chawla. She was the first Indian woman who went to the space. Yes, children, this is all about your lesson number 3. All of you write in your textbook activities. Watch the video and complete the textbook activities, children. Read the lesson properly. Okay? Thank you, children.